Today I am going to dye my hair. So I went to la blah la. I have no idea. I think you know what store I'm talking about. But I went there and I got these two hair bleach. I have never bleached my hair before, so this was very exciting. Then I went to a Toot House and I got myself the two-tone treatment hair color in number 6 pastel violet. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this first and then this. Let me just show you my hair. So this is my hair. As you can see, it's very long. I was actually planning on just cutting it off, but I thought it would be fun to bleach it first before I cut it. So I'm definitely not gonna bleach my whole head. That's crazy. I'm just gonna ombre it, or attempt to ombre it. I'm probably just gonna dye it about this much. And if all fails, just chop it off. So it's all good. Also, I went to Daiso and I got this little kit. It comes with the brush, glove, ear protecting thing. I don't think I'm gonna need it, but, and then a plastic, this gown, plastic thing to wrap around. Okay, let's just start because I have nothing else to say. Okay, so I guess I'll start mixing the bleach inside. Comes with the bleach. It comes with the bleach powder and then the bleach lotion. There's that. By the way, it's really loud because I'm outside on my balcony area. So I want some, you know, ventilation. So I apologize for that. Here it is. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You mix the two, you apply it 10 to 30 minutes, rinse it off. Yeah, you rinse it off with shampoo, and then you're good to go. But let's start mixing. I'm gonna first put in the powder. Here it goes. And then the bleach juice. Let's mix it up. Oh my god, this is so blue. I've never bleached my hair before. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I have never. It doesn't smell so bad. Yeah, I've never bleached my hair, so this will be the first. Okay, I'm gonna start with small sections. Is that good? Should I do it more? I think that's good. Should I go more? Here. Oh shoot, let me put down the camera. So I have until here right now, but I think that's good. I want to make sure that it becomes ombre, so what I'm trying to do, kind of go like that. Hopefully that will give more of an ombre effect. I don't know, I'm not a hairstylist. But the street lights keep me awake. So right now only one side is done, but like I don't have like any left. Like that's all I have left. I don't think I have enough. I feel like at this point I could just dye it like this. Okay, so I don't have enough to do this side. So I'm just gonna open this up and I have to use this because I don't have enough. This is like not even done. At this point, I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. So, this will come out patchy AF. The thing with me is that, oh, the sun's going down. The lighting's really bad. But the thing with me is that I never do anything with my hair. I mean, the last time I did anything with my hair was a year ago. So I cut my hair a year ago, and then now I'm doing this. And I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to tie it in a ponytail and do this, but I don't really care. I'm pretty sure it'll come out great. And you know, if it turns out bad, I feel like I will be less angry opposed to if someone did my hair and it turned out bad. You know, at least when I do it and it turns bad, like I have an excuse. It's like, I'm not a hairstylist. Like I don't know anything about dyeing hair, so it's fine. But if someone else does it and it turns out bad, I would probably be very upset. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and this is what I have so far. I think I'm gonna rinse it and see how it looks, but I think I need to go get another one because I don't know how this is gonna show up. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so I have washed and dried my hair. So this is how the first dye looks like. It looks much lighter. Oh yeah, it looks like this. It is a lot lighter, but not what I want. So I went out and I went to Olive Young and I got 2 more. This is a different brand. Went to Olive Young and I got these 2 from, I think it's from Mediheal. So here we go, bleach number 2. So it is day 2 of my hair journey. I just woke up and I'm ready. Here's how it looks. The only thing I don't like is that over here it's like all lined. Yeah, I don't like that. So I don't know, but this side is okay. I think this side is okay. I have my purple hair color treatment and I guess we'll just start. What are we waiting for? This is my hair, dried and dyed, dyed and dried, and definitely a fail. It's supposed to be purple, but I'm getting more red. I think the problem was that I didn't bleach it enough. Like it should have been like pure blonde. But instead there were a bit of like red in it. So I think that's why I'm getting more red tone. But I mean, I'm not mad. The color is still nice. It blends really nicely with my natural hair color. So yeah, this is my attempt to bleach and color my hair. It was a total fail, but here it is. If you are planning on using the Etude House two-tone color treatment, I'd highly recommend to go super blonde, or you're gonna end up like me. I think if this fades out, I'm gonna try pink next and see how that works. But it's honestly not bad considering I paid around like $25. So that's my hair. I'm gonna see how long this will last. We'll update on my Instagram, so if you're curious, make sure to follow me on Instagram. But here it is. That's it. It smells nice. Anyways, that is it. My fail attempt, my fail review. I hope that you learned something from this and not do what I did. Anyways, I guess this is it. Thanks for watching.